that FPL clinic this week is going to be fantastic, and we are just looking at some budget midfielders for you. Now, remember that a lot of people are going for a lot of players. Remember also the man, Erling Haaland, has been selected for close to 75%. So 75% of players for this season's FPL so far have picked Erling Haaland. So out and out, he's your captaincy choice for this week. Another player you should really consider in your team is Bruno Fernandes going into the season. However, now let me break down some budget midfielders for you. Iliman Ndiaye is one budget midfielder you should consider from Everton. Iliman Ndiaye is that guy who actually works the spaces and those tight points for Everton. Watch out for Iliman Ndiaye. He's one player you can get on your team. Now, Pascal Gross is also one player who you can get on your team for Brighton and Hove Albion. Pascal Gross is one person you can get on your team. And then Enzo Liefers for Sunderland. He will be playing in a lot of the games. Enzo Liefers for Sunderland will be playing in a lot of the games. So that's one of your budget midfielders. Not forgetting Yasin Ayari. Yasin Ayari had a very interesting World Cup. And he's one person you should consider for Brighton and Hove Albion. So that's going to be the budget midfielders you should consider. So like I mentioned, Iliman Ndiaye, Pascal Gross, and Enzo Liefers, as well as Yasin Ayari. So those should be your some budget midfielders you should look for. But if you're looking to go for top midfielders this season, Antoine Semenyo, you can't miss Antoine Semenyo. Antoine Semenyo is in there. Brian Mbeumo is also in there. Yes, he's another person who has been in scintillating form so far this preseason. He has scored 3 goals in preseason and has an assist. Bruno Fernandes definitely in there. Morgan Gibbs-White, despite the fact he's starting for a new coach, he's the captain and he is going to be talked about most part of the season. So those are some of the midfielders you should consider. But let's quickly fix your attack. A lot of people have gone for the man Haaland. However, who are going to be the other budget additions to him? One person, Igor Jesus for the team, Nottingham Forest. Look at what the man, the former coach of Crystal Palace, Oliver Glasner, was able to achieve with the men. That is, yes, Mateta. Just shape it down to Igor Jesus. It's going to be something similar in that regard. Yes, so he's been excellent in preseason already. He has scored 5 goals in preseason. So if people are just going ballistic about Joao Pedro, Igor Jesus has also scored 5 goals in preseason. And there's also another gentleman who could have played for Ghana, but Ghana missed the boat. Brian Brobbey. Brian Brobbey for Sunderland should be considered as one of your budget forwards. And definitely Dominic Calvert-Lewin. Consider him for budget forwards as well. And then Jorginho Ruta. With the leaving of Welbeck, Jorginho Ruta becomes a key person up front for Brighton and Hove Albion. That's that as far as that is concerned with regards to FPL Clinic for week 1. We brought you budget options all through all the way. Now remember,